Wow. Hey everybody, welcome back to the shop. I'm Dean. Thanks for stopping by. So this is, as you saw from the intro, a very long overdue subscriber giveaway, and apologies for missing the 1,000 and 2,000 mark. Life's just busy. Things are happening. Just hopefully this will make up for it. So it's 2,500 subscriber giveaway, and thank you very much for everybody who's subscribed and has commented over the years and watched and so forth. So we got this nice little caliper to give away. We'll talk about the rules in a minute, but first let's just have a look at this thing and see what we're giving away. So first off, this is not sponsored. I went out and bought it full retail price, just like anybody else would on Amazon. I will put a link down below. I did set up an Amazon affiliate, so I do get a little bit if you guys happen to buy one from that link. So anyways, this is the Shars Aventor. Hopefully I pronounced that right. I did not want to open the instructions. I'm going to leave that as they are for whoever wins this. It comes with a calibration certificate that actually was filled out by a human, which is surprising, and the results look really good. I picked this one out because it's a good quality and I really like the large display. I don't know about you guys, but trying to read those small numbers these days is not that easy. Okay, it's got 3.5 digits, so it'll do half tenths when you're in the imperial mode, and when it's in the metric mode. Okay, I'm not a metric guy here. Let me see if I can switch it over here. There we go. So in metric, oh, look at there. I didn't know it did that. It does fractions. Wow. How cool is that? Okay, now let's see if we can get it to, okay, now we're on metric or millimeters. So it looks like it goes out to 2 decimal places. I gotta look at that fraction mode again. That is cool. Wow. Back to standard imperial decimal. So yeah, so these are waterproof or coolant proof. Let's just check it with the gauge block again. Yeah, dead on. That's nice. The battery is a little fiddly getting the battery in and out. I'm going to leave the battery in. It's got another cover here with an O-ring seal, to keep everything waterproof. So it was a little tricky getting that in there. All right. It's got auto shut off, auto turn on. I think it's a 5-minute delay for the auto shut off. So yeah. So yeah, I wanted to give away something that was nice since we're way behind the curve here on getting a giveaway, and I wanted to give away something that everybody can use. So just about everyone can use a digital caliper, whether you're a woodworker, metal worker, fabricator, machinist, or just general home maintenance, auto maintenance, whatever. It's a handy tool to have, so it's applicable for everybody. Okay, let's get back to the regularly scheduled video here. Yeah, so that's a really nice pair of calipers. If I didn't already have several other pairs, I would definitely consider picking up another set just for the shop here. So yeah, that should be very handy. It's useful for just about anybody that does any kind of measuring. A great tool to have. So let's talk about the rules. So unfortunately, I've got to make this US only for the calipers. The shipping rates are just ridiculous. I did look into it to see if I could ship it. You could buy probably 2 of those brand new for what it costs just for the shipping. It's just ridiculous. So US addresses only, please, which that also would include Alaska, Hawaii, and territories, so like Puerto Rico, Guam, Virgin Islands, I think. As long as they're US territory, we can ship, okay? So yeah, please, if you're international, and apologies, but you know, it is what it is. Yeah, we need to keep it to the US guys. Okay, so now I don't want to leave out you international guys, so let's see what we got here. So at the Barzi Bash, picked up several of these nice shards. These are imperial 6-inch scales. They're all fractional. Might be handy for you international metric guys if you need to measure something in imperial. Might be a good thing to have. So I got 3 of these to give away. So what we'll do, international guys, and most of you already know, you know, but just note that you want to be in the international drawing. We'll do a separate drawing for these, because these I can just throw in a regular first class mail envelope and get them sent out to you. Yeah. So let me look at my notes here. Okay. So if you've previously commented on any of my videos in the last, let's say 90 days, you're automatically in. If you haven't, or you're not sure, just throw another comment in this video. I will announce probably in 2 weeks. It's going to take a while to compile everything, so probably 2, maybe 3 weeks, we'll announce who the winner is. We'll do some type of a drawing, whether it be by electronic random number, or I really want to try to get some raffle type tickets, so I can have one of the grandsons or somebody, you know, pull one out of a bucket or whatever. Yeah. But anyways, we'll announce then, and then I'll have you send me an email. You can also send me an email if you want to get in the and you don't have an easy way to comment. Just send me an email, and I'll put that down below here somewhere, and in the description. If you want to get in the drawing, okay? All right, so let me check my notes again, make sure I'm not forgetting anything here. Yeah, okay, that's it. So what else is going on? So you're probably wondering what's happening with the Shaper project. It's been a couple of weeks. Dean, what's going on? Yeah, I'm steadily working on it. Kind of went down a deeper rabbit hole. I don't want to spill the beans, but I should have something coming out hopefully in the next few days, giving you an update and showing you what we've been doing. Yeah, just kind of went off on a slight tangent, got sidetracked a little bit, but we're working on it, and we should have an update on that soon. So anyways, that's it. Yeah, please hit the like button too. That really helps, and subscribe if you can. And we'll come back in like 2 or 3 weeks, and we'll do the drawing, and we'll announce who wins. And good luck to everybody, and thanks again for stopping by. All right, we'll see you. So this is a long overdue subscriber. Oh.